Hey, night owls. Welcome back to Midnight Questions, where we dive deep into the mysteries of the mind, history, and science. Imagine waking up one day and not recognizing the people you love. Imagine slowly forgetting the most important moments of your life. This is the cruel reality of Alzheimer's disease, one of the most mysterious and devastating conditions known to science. But what causes Alzheimer's? Is it just aging? Or is there something more going on inside the brain? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear might change the way you think about memory forever. Alright, before we dive into the causes, let's break down what Alzheimer's actually is. Alzheimer's is a brain disease that slowly destroys memory, thinking skills, and even basic body functions. It's the most common cause of dementia, affecting millions of people worldwide. But here's the shocking part, it doesn't just happen to the elderly. There are cases of early onset Alzheimer's in people as young as 40. So, what's actually causing this brain destruction? Let's break it down. Scientists don't have one clear answer, but they've uncovered three major factors that seem to trigger Alzheimer's. And trust me, some of these are terrifying. Inside our brains, there are two proteins that can go rogue, beta amyloid and tau. Beta amyloid builds up into sticky plaques that block brain signals. Think of it like roadblocks in a city. If too many appear, traffic, or brain signals can't get through. Then there's tau, which is supposed to support brain cells. But in Alzheimer's, it gets twisted into tangles, choking neurons to death. This toxic buildup is what slowly destroys memory and thinking over time. Here's something scary. If you have a close family member with Alzheimer's, your risk is much higher. Scientists have discovered specific genes that make people more vulnerable. One of the biggest culprits? A gene called ApoE4. If you inherit one copy from your parents, your risk doubles. If you get 2 copies, your risk can be 12 times higher. But don't panic, genes aren't everything. Even if you have a high-risk gene, lifestyle still plays a huge role. Here's the part that affects all of us. Our daily choices might be increasing the risk of Alzheimer's. Lack of exercise, a sedentary lifestyle weakens the brain over time. 2. Poor diet, high sugar, processed foods, and trans fats can damage brain cells. 1. Smoking and alcohol, these speed up brain aging and increase dementia risk. 1. Air pollution, yes, even polluted air has been linked to Alzheimer's. Basically, what's bad for your heart is bad for your brain. Alright, I know what you're thinking, can we stop this from happening? The truth? There's no cure for Alzheimer's. Yet. But scientists say we can lower our risk by doing a few key things. Exercise regularly, it increases blood flow to the brain. Eat a brain-healthy diet, think Mediterranean diet, fish, nuts, and veggies. Keep your mind active, read, learn new skills, solve puzzles. White tick mark, avoid smoking and excessive drinking, these speed up brain damage. And here's something crazy, getting good sleep helps your brain clean out toxic proteins. So yes, pulling all-nighters could be harming your memory. Alzheimer's is one of the greatest medical mysteries of our time. We know it's caused by toxic proteins, genetics, and lifestyle factors, but there's still so much left to uncover. But here's what I want to ask you, do you think we'll ever find a cure for Alzheimer's? Or will it remain one of the world's greatest unsolved medical mysteries? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love diving into strange and fascinating topics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a midnight mystery. The human mind is full of wonders and terrifying unknowns. Stay curious, keep questioning, and I'll see you in the next one. Good night.